Welcome to the Everyday Show with our host, Tanner Noah! Hello, Miniverse. I'm Tanner Noah. We have a great show for you today because we have two very special guests, Sommer and Cali from the show, Sommer and Cali!
Hey everyone, hi!
Welcome, please, have a seat.
Oh wow, look at this place.
Oh yeah, I forget, this is your first time on the show. Welcome.
Love your show, by the way. Big fan.
Oh, thank you. And you know, I'm a big fan of y'all too. I love the show. Now, for those of you who don't know, can you two introduce yourselves?
I'm Cali, just like the state.
And I'm Sommer, spelled Sommer. People always think it's a typo, but no, that's how it's spelled.
Ah, so that's a nice little play on words, like Sommer and Cali, except for it's Sommer and Cali, but if you say it fast, it sounds like Sommer and Cali.
Yep, that was the idea.
What else can you tell us about the show?
Well, since you asked, here is everything you've ever wanted to know about Sommer and Cali. We're sisters, twins, kind of a reoccurring theme here, because we are practically Sophie and Chloe from the Darbie Show. But why the name change, you ask? Well, for that, we're gonna have to go back to 2019. Where we were doing our whole Darbie Show high school thing. What's up, y'all? Sophie Darby here, self-proclaimed amazing vlogger. You know, just dealing with high school issues while being a mermaid. And hanging out with my friends. Dude, how long have we been in high school?
I don't know. Maybe like 7 years?
7 years? Seriously? Don't you think we should have graduated by now?
Sophie,
Yes, Miss Tremaine?
there are new guidelines going into effect that may or may not concern you, since you like toys.
Oh boy. Everyone, just stay calm until we have more information. Well, it's been nice. Peace out, people. Jade, wait. We've been wanting to make some changes anyway, so maybe this is a good time. In the past, whenever we wanted to make a change, we just used the time machine. So maybe this time we can just jump dimensions. Can we get a portal over here on this wall, please? All right, here goes nothing. Whee! Oh, wow. I've got a whole new look.
Wait for me! Okay, this is different.
My turn!
And you cannot forget Naveen!
Okay, folks, in this new dimension, things are a little different. To give us more creative liberties, we're gonna have to break from the Sophie Chloe character mold just a little. So let's change our names to reduce confusion. I now go by Sommer. Chloe, you now go by Cali.
Whatever.
Naveen, you are now Nigel.
I am Nigel! It just doesn't roll off your tongue the same.
Jade, your new name is Jazz. Carmen, you're Caroline. Sky, you are Sabrina. And you are... Sorry. Who is this?
I'm Damon. What's up?
Damon? Wait, where's Cam?
Hello?
So, everyone didn't make the jump, but that doesn't mean we won't see them later on down the road. Excuse me, Sophie? What's my name again? You're Jazz. And remember, I am now Sommer. Jazz. Right. Most of the cast is now made out of Integrity Toys dolls. Well, at least parts of them. My head is from the best thing ever Dree Hill Color Infusion Integrity Toys doll. It's an adult collector doll with a pretty heavy price tag. And yeah, I ripped the head off and put it on a made-to-move Barbie body. Sorry, I kinda had to. I needed more posability. And we did the same thing to Cali. Her head is from the Industry Lovesick Collection Legacy Janae. There are Integrity Toy unboxings on our channel for most of the characters that go into more detail. Sommer, Did you know that my Integrity Toy doll's name was Jade?
Yeah?
Then I could have just kept the name Jade, and I wouldn't be so confused right now.
Sorry, I thought I was helping. Okay, in hindsight, I probably could have kept the names the same. But in this dimension, we traded in our fins for alien powers.
Because we still love having that supernatural element to our stories.
In fact, in this dimension, we have vampires.
What's up?
Oh wait, was that a spoiler? But you know, we covered that one like many episodes ago. So I am so sorry if you haven't seen that one yet.
But for the most part, our personalities are still pretty much the same.
I am super crazy about sci-fi and toys. I absolutely love toys. And some say I'm a little dramatic from time to time. I don't know where they get that from. Because my personality is loosely based on Toya.
And I'm based off of Bella.
Callie is the older twin and takes school very seriously. Especially since we are college students now. We are in the Sorority Exo Triangle, which sometimes we call XOA because it just seems to flow better. It's a part of the new My Froggy Stuff logo. The X stands for craft because it's like a pair of scissors. The O stands for reuse, like a circle of life kind of thing. And then the triangle stands for recycle because the recycle sign looks like a triangle. But on the show, it stands for Xena Omega Tri, which is the name of our sorority. It's totally made up. It doesn't even follow real Greek letters. And the guys wear it too, so it's kind of a everyone's welcome kind of thing. Unlike the Darbie Show, where our characters are 17 forever, time actually passes here on Sommer Cali. Last year we were freshmen, this year we're sophomores, and next year we'll be juniors. Which means we'll grow up, graduate from college, get jobs, and one day we could even get married. But to whom? I guess you're just gonna have to watch the show to find out.
Okay, here is a frequently asked question. Why doesn't Callie talk more? I got school, it takes up a lot of time. I tend to keep my parts fairly small. Speaking of, I gotta go take a test right now.
No worries, Callie. I got this. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, Sommer Cali is pretty much a doll soap opera.
Summer,
Yes, Nigel.
there is something I must ask you.
No, don't say it. Don't you dare say it.
I had a pumpkin spice latte in June.
How could you?
I know. It was out of season.
Okay, maybe not quite like that, but it's definitely an ongoing story. That makes a lot more sense if you watch every episode. I mean, I'm just saying. And yes, at the end of every episode, you will hear the dreaded "to be continued" on the next Sommer Cali. And there is a new story arc just about every 10 episodes. Or at least that's the plan. Did I mention we're actors? At the end of the last 2 episodes, we posted some bloopers and outtakes showing some of the amazing people behind the scenes. Like my amazing stylist, Serena, and the camera guy.
What's up?
And that's like a whole nother story in itself. Behind the scenes is where you'll learn that my arch nemesis, Alex, aka Anna, is actually my total bestie. And since our writers love sci-fi, fantasy, and anime, the show is filled with pop culture references. I am not a prize to be won. Now, who knows that reference and which episode of Sommer Cali it aired in? Will we ever see Sommer Cali's parents? Yeah, I'm sure one day. I just have to find the right dolls. Until then, we have our grandma, who is out of this world. Get it? Because you're like an alien? Oh dear, some things never change. Here is Grandma from the Darbie Show, and we always kind of hinted that she was a witch, and it was confirmed in Sommer Cali. But in this universe, she's from outer space. From Sakar, to be exact. which just so happens to be the name of a planet in Marvel, but it's not the same planet here.
You know we like to change things up a bit.
In our world, Sicarians have the power to control heat. And I just got my powers, so yeah, pretty awesome. All right, we got a few more questions here. Favorite drink? Cocoa latte. And for Callie, it's green tea. We both have a plant-based diet. You know, art imitating life and all. Callie's in college studying computers and graphic design, while I'm studying the cosmos.
Wow! This is crazy! You've covered different dimensions, alien powers, vampires, college, but we all want to know, who is he buying the ring for?
You're talking about Nigel in the Why Is He at Tiffany's episode?
Yeah! You left us on this crazy cliffhanger, and we just gotta know, who is the ring for?
I can't tell you that. It will ruin the story.
Do you know?
Yes, I know, but I'm not telling.
Oh, that's not fair.
You're just gonna have to watch the show. We try to put out at least one a month. And that's just because it takes time to write the scripts and coordinate our schedules so we can film together. Sometimes we even need to build a new set. And we often give updates about the show on YouTube Live with Toya and Bella, Fridays at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yes, that was totally a little shameless promotion, by the way.
And there is a book available, The Darbie Show and Sommer and Cali Explained, on the blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com. That is totally free for the audience to download and print. You can craft a book, you can craft a book, and you can craft a book.
Okay, that took a turn.
I just want to say thank you for joining us on the Everyday Show.
No, thank you, Tanner Noah, for inviting us.
One last question. Will the Darbie Show return?
To be honest, I don't have a concrete answer for that, but we will see them in backflashes and when we cross over dimensions from time to time. Yeah!
Well, we are really excited to see where the show goes and find out who Nigel is buying the ring for. Look, I'm vested, y'all.
Oh, thank you. We will try to get that episode out as soon as we can.
Watch Sommer and Cali on YouTube at My Froggy Stuff, and we'll see you next time on the Everyday Show.
Cut! And that's a wrap, folks. Good show.
Okay, now that we are no longer filming, can you tell me who the ring is for?
Okay, I guess I'll tell you. But you can't tell anyone, okay?
Yeah. Okay, who is it?
Come here. The ring is for... To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali.
That is messed up!